As you might have heard, AI is a new buzzword nowadays, and I was curious, what is your opinion on AI, and how could it impact how could it impact you on the pharmaceutical end in terms of solving for new cures for diseases, and also for the business side of it?
Yeah, so I'm actually a big believer in the application of AI to innovation, to workflow, to efficiency. I actually, and I spend a lot of time with my team talking about this, and this guy's helped me with it a bit too.
Confidentially.
Yeah. Well, it's not so confidential.
Cut the video.
Yeah.
Cut the video.
But I actually, and really do believe this. I think the application of AI to work, and in particular into our field, drug discovery, will probably be the biggest catalyst for change that I've seen in my career. And I was here for the internet, so which was a profound change over time. But I don't think I think it's exponentially more important as we think about AI. And so, we are looking at it in a variety of different we're actually doing it in a variety of applications. We started in our manufacturing lines, looking at, we have highly automated robotic manufacturing lines, but any downtime in that line results in millions of dollars of lost product and productivity. And so just having it for predictive maintenance and other, when you have, these are automated lines that are like 100 yards long. And so any break in the process is very detrimental. And so now the AI is pulling so much information, that there's so much information being come off these lines. There's tons of photo sensors. No human being could ever process that information at all to begin with, or in time that would actually matter. And now we can do that. And so I think that application in and of itself is just the beginning, but it's going to be massive. We're now using AI in drug discovery. We have a partnership with a company that has 10,000 patient records from retina specialists, including all the OCT diagnostics of the eye and tissue samples. And so now we're screening large amounts of data around drug candidates against actually known targets with actual biologic samples. That would have, things we're doing now in a day would have been a year, just a year ago. We're using AI in our selling organization to look at how to target and talk to doctors. A lot of the issues we deal with is when you recommend a prescription product to a doctor for a patient, if that doctor or that patient doesn't have the right managed care coverage or insurance coverage, it's a waste of a prescription and an angry patient because they go to the pharmacy and it's $700 and World War III breaks out. And so to the extent we can better figure out in advance what's the right medicine for the right patient with the right copay, as an example, that makes us much more productive, makes the doctor much more productive, makes the patient much more happy. And so, those are types of applications we're looking at. We're now starting to look at finance applications in terms of all the reporting and analytics we do on our, numbers that are coming in from all over the world from multiple product lines. How do we do that type of instantaneous reports? And I actually hope it won't happen for 25 because we're doing 25 budgets now. But I'm hoping 20, and that's a massive exercise in every company that takes months. I think in 26 we'll do AI predictive budgeting. So I think it's massive.